paper. If you want any other paper colors, pick it. Your choice. Can you guess which shape it is? Yes, that's right. It's rectangle. But now we need square. So let's make the square. First, one hand on the paper. Other hand, fold it. Touch the borders. And press it like this. Other papers also fold it. Now we need to cut this extra paper. But while cutting, you need to take your parents' help, okay? After cutting, we got beautiful shape. Which shape it is? Yes, that's right. It's square. Square is smaller than rectangle. Rectangle is greater than square. Now we need to fold it square like this. Can you guess which shape it is now? Yes, that's right. It's triangle. Wow, it's beautiful triangle. After we making a triangle, take one of the edges, take one side of edges and fold it like this. Take another edge and fold it like this. Now take your black sketch pen and draw the eyes. After drawing the eyes, now we have two eyes of the dog. Now we need to draw dog nose. So take this side of the paper and hold it like this. Take your black sketch pen and draw the nose. Now draw some dots on the dog. Now take your red sketch pen and draw the tongue. To draw nose and tongue, we got beautiful dog. This dog name is Brownie. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.